Education is one of the blessings of life and one of its necessities. Dear sisters and brothers, dear fellow children, we must work, not wait. Not just the politicians and the world leaders. We all need to contribute. Me, you, we. It is our duty. We realize the importance of light when we see darkness. Are so powerful in creating wars, but are so weak in bringing peace. One child, one teacher, one book, and one pen can change the world. Education is the only solution. Education first.